Okay. And right on it. Hello. Like it. This is what I do. This was over. They didn't know that you were here. Charger. Charger.
Yeah.
It's almost dead.
I'll try the back.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Ha. Oh. You're gonna put this on YouTube? Don't you dare put me in that. I'm walking around just to not do anything. Goodbye, Jewel. You do notice that they could hear you. Jewel Diaz.
Yeah, but I'm gonna print this thing out too, so you can take this to the office.
Yeah, we'll just go ahead and print that one.
Okay, I'm gonna go over here. This thing. Alright, in just a minute, I'm gonna check your form. Oh, it's so
Swap. Okay, so it was in the so. Gotta go on the IXL. Okay. Pencil. Hmm? What?
yeah.
Because she's probably sad or mad person. Or maybe the world. And now we're going to share screen. Share screen. Share. Good. Minimize. Okay.
Right, right.
Okay. Come around to check homework, and then we're gonna go over. Do you have a class? Alrighty. So homework. I know Jeremiah had some that I can use the other day.
Yeah.
Oh, get the rest. David, you yes and no and yes and so forth, but you don't have any work, so I guess I'll give you 8 out of 10 because you didn't prove it. You do it. Whatever. Standard. I'll give you the same thing, 8. What's your name? Oh, we're gonna go over it so that we can get all the answers. Yes, mark out. You have yours? None of yours, but then it works. I'm gonna keep them. And then you don't have any relatives that work. Yes, somewhere, somewhere. Cameron. Hello. Four kind of letters. Smiley anymore?
So the first one. Oh, I did that.
I'll give you 8 if there's no work on there. Security, have you watched? Did you say you had that? Alright, so if you want to do it with me, you can get points. Alright, everybody, count the same pair off your desk. We are going to do that. I'm going to kind of display it up here, but I'm mostly going to be working on the board. 1, out of 10, clear off your desk. 2. 4. I don't understand. I don't understand how here, what's on this? 7. 8. 9. Security, close your book. 10. Alright. We're on SMO 7.6. Our objective today is the same as yesterday because we're going to kind of finish on that stuff. It says we will determine that figures are similar by making proportions of corresponding sides. Alright, so your due now is IXL. I'm going to count that as part of one of the station grades instead of counting the other one that you guys worked so hard on yesterday. With Ms. Carey, because I'm not counting that for my other classes because someone decided they want to break our rulers and so forth, and we can't seem to handle rulers in this class as middle schoolers. So I'm not even going to finish that station with the other groups. So we're going to count that station out. So now your 3 stations are IXL, which you should have been working on throughout the week, and the worksheet that my group, that was Security's group, you guys did that yesterday. I only had to finish, I think, the one problem on the bottom, number 9. 10 of them counts like bonus points for that worksheet, which is challenging. But number 9, 1 through 9 is what the worksheet is. So you guys are halfway done with your work. The versatile sheet. So Miss Carey's group is going to have to do these 2 today, or work on these 2. And they're the ones that are graded. The one from yesterday, I'm not going to grade that sheet. At the end of the class, I'm going to give you about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, whatever. Then we're going to do the quad quiz retake, or if you did well on it, then you're just going to do an exit pass. So it's your option. If you like the grade you got on the quiz the first time, you can keep it and just do the 5-question extra pass for additional points. Or if you did not do it at all, you can do it for the first time. So that's what is at the end of the class. Right now we're going to check homework, which is also reviewing similar figures. So if you did not do it, or if you just wrote letters on yours, make sure you follow along to do this. Because I did what we're doing. All right, so to be similar figures, we know they have to be the same shape. They can be the same size, but they don't have to be the same size for similar figures. We also know that they have to have congruent what? Congruent angles, and since all of these are 90, we know that they're congruent angles. But we can't just stop there. We have to figure out if the sides are proportional. So since we have a rectangle, we only have to determine if 2 sides are proportional. So I'm going to do the big to the small. I'm going to do 52, which is HGH, over CD, which is 36. I'm going to do FG, which is 30, over BC, which is 20. You can do cross multiplying, which I'll do for this one, or you can do dividing to see if these things are proportional. So 52 times 20 gives me 1,040. We're asking ourselves, does that equal 36 times 30, which gives me 1,080. So are they equal? No, so these are not proportional. I cannot write a similarity statement. So for number one, I would have just written no. Any questions on this one? Yes. It doesn't matter. You'll still get to figure out if they're proportional if you do smaller on top. I just like to divide bigger numbers by smaller numbers because sometimes I get whole numbers. But I could have done it the exact same way with the small on top. I just prefer big and small. So it's up to you. Alright, so now we're going to go to the next problem. You could have done this a couple of ways. You could have redrawn this triangle, or you could have color-coded it like I'm going to show you in a second. 6.3, 3.5, 8.4. Alright, so this is the first triangle. Now, I decided to do it both ways. I color-coded on here. I know that from the 1 arc to the 3 arc, I colored that line green. So down here, the one that's 1 arc to the 3 arc, I colored it green. The 1 arc to the 2 arc, I colored blue. Same thing here. The 1 arc to the 2 arc, I colored blue, so I know which side matches with which. The 2 to the 3 arc, I colored pink. The 2 to the 3 arcs, I colored pink. That just means there's 3 different sizes for angles. So since all the angles are congruent, I now have to figure out with proportions if these triangles are the same. So I'm going to draw the same markings from below, and I'm going to write the new figures. So the one that has 3 marks on the one below is letter D. The one that has 2 marks is letter F, and the one that has 1 mark is letter E. So now they kind of look the same. Now I have to fill in the numbers. D to F is 6.0. E to D is 4.5. And E to F is 2.5. So now my two figures look alike. Now I have to figure out if the proportions are equal. Since I have 3, because this is a triangle, I have to see if these 3 sides are equal. I'm going to start with this one as number 1, and this one as number 2. So I'm going to do 1 to 2, just because I want to do the big number first. You can do whichever one you want first. It doesn't matter. So AB is 3.5. That matches with FE, which is 2.5. BC is 6.3. That matches with ED, which is 4.5. AC is 8.4. That matches with FD, which is 6.0. Alright, so I could cross multiply, but that's a lot of things to try to cross multiply. So what I'm going to do for this one is I'm just going to divide to see if I get the same number. So 3.5 divided by 2.4 gives me 1.4. Does that equal whatever this is? If I divide these two, I get 1.4. If I divide these two, I get 1.4. So are they all the same?
Yeah.
Yes, so this is a similar figure. Now I can make a similarity statement. I'm going to say triangle ABC is similar to triangle FED. Because A goes to F, B goes to E, C goes to D. Okay? Usually they do DEF. They change it around a little bit so you don't just get used to, oh, in alphabetical order. All right, any questions on this one? All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go over number 3. So this is going over your homework, but it's also a review. My homework down? All right, so I have a square, all 90-degree angles, and I have a bigger square, all 90-degree angles. So my angles are congruent. JKLM, NOPQ. I got 18, I got 15, 25, and 30. So now I'm going to see if the size of the portion, I only have 2 to check. I'm going to do the bigger one first. So I'm going to call this 1, I'm going to call this 2. So 25 over 18, does that equal 30 over 15? Well, I know 30 divided by 15 is 2. And half of 25 I know is not 18. So these are not equal. I don't want to write a similarity statement. So this is a no. Everybody got that?
So I'm a little more confused when somebody said write a similarity statement. They don't understand it. It's just more or less the symbol and
Yeah, you just put the symbol and all the letters together.
equal, yeah.
Alright, and if you still have questions on your homework, know in this grade level. But it's a quadrilateral, so they couldn't put something, as long as it's a four-sided figure, on the similarity part. So these two are right, so the angles are matching. So now I just have to set up proportions. This is 75 meters, this is x, this is 45 meters, this is 36 meters. Alright, they told you that x equals 60, and you have to figure out, are they similar? So you have to put proportions up, correct? Am I cut off? I'm going to show you a review of proportions. This is what that bottom half of your homework is. It's actually Monday's homework. But in case you want to get started, I'm going to give you a review right now. So, I'm going to do figure 1 to figure 2. So, I'm going to have 75, this part, over 45. And I'm going to ask myself, does that equal x over 36? What do I do if I had this proportion? How would I figure out what x is? I would cross multiply. So I'm going to get 2,700 and I'm going to get 45x. Why did I get rid of x? Two separate equations. One separate equation. Divide it by itself. So I'm going to divide by 45 and get 1. Divide by 45 and I find out that x equals 60. So by doing this, I know they're proportional because I just made them proportional because I figured out what x was. But since they told you x was 60, then we know it's proportional. Because all we'd have to do is this was 60 to see if they work. So we would get them to work. It'd be 2,700 for each of them. This SOL, sit up guys and go see what I'm saying. It's important to know. Sit up. This SOL is not going to ask you to find your x like we just did. But the one that has proportions that we've already done will. This one is just going to ask you, can you set up proportions to find for x? So you can do that, of course, 4 different ways. You can do 75 or 45 equals x over 36. You can reverse that and have x over 36 equals 75 over 45. Or you can flip them around. 36 over x equals 45 over 75. Or on the other side. All right. So these are all the 4 different proportions you can use to figure out what x is. This SOL is going to use the TEI question. It's going to say pick all the ones that can help you find x. And you would pick all 4 of these. And the other ones you wouldn't pick. Are there any questions on your homework?
So the last one, correction would be.
Yes, they are similar. All right, so my group that I had yesterday, you've already done your worksheet. Well, you have to finish that one problem on your own. So you're going to finish that one problem on your own and get the versatile sheet. These are the 2 I'm grading. If you were in Miss Perry's group yesterday, then you are going to do both of these. And you can be partnered up with somebody who will walk around and help and assist you. Versatile sheet, you still have to show your work. So, for example, the first question gives you the triangle, and it tells you that it's similar to another triangle. So, as showing your work, I should see both triangles. Or what you could do is color code so that I can see that you actually know which side matches which side, which angle matches which angle. And you have to show your work some way other than just saying, number 1 is A, number 2 is K. I don't want to just see the letters. I want to see some way you figured out the answer. Any questions on what you're doing now? All right. So you may get the versatile up here. If you do not have that, which is everybody, I'll pass this one out. And if you did not have me yesterday as a group, you can come get this. This paper is to show your work on. And you may get started.
Harry, what was this for? What was this for?
Yes.
Oh,
My kids, everything is
Miss Curry, bomb about my sister.
Like one thing.
I like
Miss Curry, bomb about my sister.
You can like, I could give you like a list if you want to go to Oh, okay. Okay.
Looking at you. You like that?
Oh, yeah, you can. Okay.
Okay, you can be Friday.
I did that.
So I'll give you this, guys, maybe trees.
Oh, by the way,
Well,
kind of
But this is not like.
I was surprised.
Trees too.
No, not what. Hey, I was not so. I don't know.
But they should be working on
She
this.
doesn't
I know.
say. Yeah, he said, you're a sax. Like, you said my name. And then when we started going back, and that was like, oh my god. Last year when we had screaming when I was there. You didn't scream at all. Khalil was
She was just laughing.
Jewel and Kara, you guys are in my group, so you need to work on this today. Did you finish the last problem? That I did all of them except the last one. Did you finish that one?
I believe so.
Alright, so that you were in my group, you need to work on this.
Yeah, that's something here.
No, but when I went on the kitchen with Eva, she was screaming all over.
I
And her hat fell off.
scream.
It was funny.
I scream when like you're going down the face forward, like when you're going like
I
that.
screamed a little bit, and then when I realized Baby was screaming, I
It's so weird.
and we were both screaming.
The ladies, you gotta work successfully on the grades. Draw a problem. Show your work. That means draw this new triangle, the DEF one. Yeah.
I almost got sick.
I love them. That means like the
I got on the roundup thing that goes around. That thing just bops you onto that.
You have to make the portions. And I'm gonna give you guys number 5 on the worksheet. Miss
I
Carrie,
never
you guys
went
today.
over it though.
The
That
number
would
5
be
is a little
scary.
bit harder. So you have 3, 10,
I know.
this is something you did on it.
Look at it first.
Alright, 12 on this, and then they put it in another thing. That's it, and every 3. So this, 3 plus 3.
And the note.
And the 10 plus 3 plus 3 is the 16. So you gotta set up a ratio.
I'm gonna ask you.
Equal. So I did number 1, number 2. I did 10 over 15 over 18. They equal that. And then for the picture frame, you have to say yes. They put in both. But you have to decide are they similar. I'm gonna give that right out. That's just number 5 of the worksheet. It's not as easy.
But I never did.
Which worksheet?
He's not good at art. But you can tell him number 5. He's just so good.
Huh?
Yeah.
Well, you're right.
So, wait, why are you going
I want to see up here.
And you know how you put down my daughter's name? So there's my day. She said, hey daughter. He don't want that, but his only daughter. But his girl goes to the
I put it right.
That's my dad. How you got?
Wait, this is one of our This one?
No. Very smart. Okay.
Here, you're working that first.
Stop.
Work on the papers first, alright, so.
I know. Shut up, you don't know nothing.
Ladies, make
The
sure you
zipper is,
and turn in the other sheet, yes.
that's the best ride that they have.
I did like a ride.
Alright, please, 1 second, just so you know, when you're done, ladies,
Yeah.
all these 2
You lay on
sheets,
some-
here, turn them into the Facebook box. What are you gonna do when you're done? Good, so you get the grade.
I went on it.
Guys, what you do when you're done with the sheets? What are you gonna do when you're done with the sheets?
No,
So, yes.
I went on it.
Do you have this one there, Chris? Did you pick it up?
It's like, it's really, really high here. It's the hang glider thing.
You say yes.
It's really cool and fun. That's it's really cool. It is awesome. It's better than the round one. Get some of those. Like if something's tilted like this, wouldn't you want to move it? This is great. No, it
How can people like?
I'm keeping it on because it feels fun to say it, and also just there's another wristband, and they use the same wristbands, and I'm just gonna keep it on so that my father doesn't have to pay for it.
Go on.
You're not supposed to run down and get your show the work. That's why I said you have to show the work. To make sure you don't.
Play practice. I tell you that I'm an yeah. I play it. Yeah. It takes me long as well. I haven't even had one play yet. I play it.
Because you were.
Oh.
Because you were.
I play.
You said you were in.
No. 2 were white.
You said you were.
I said that I was a servant.
You said you were in.
I'm Mrs. Cute. It's a
Did you get an application?
and I have to wear this weird green dress. I don't like dresses.
I got it right.
Who's the first one? Oh, the first one? What corresponds with a
Thank you.
the
I didn't want to wait.
Yeah.
My God, what if I waited?
I swear, I was getting that.
She's stomping over here.
Don't worry about
I have to throw the rest of my
Yes.
Why do you want to smoke?
Yeah. I didn't get a chance to eat your back. But if we go to the middle, you don't like the
Okay, so somebody told Michelle that there was $20, $25 gift card to Sweet Frog. The $25 gift card only had $3 on it.
When the break comes.
And it was one of the people who worked with her.
She took pop. Versatile. Versatile. She took my square.
Okay, I guess. Number 1 goes on the day.
This ain't even the one with everything. His friend always like,
Oh.
This is how much time we have until like our exit pass.
What?
No, it was off work while you
Like 30
did
minutes.
it. It was correct the way it was.
Oh, we go down. Like for
Oh,
number one,
I didn't know
you
that.
did this. Green.
Oh, you didn't know that?
Red,
like
red,
Ace.
and that answer.
No, anybody's saying your word.
Black, I know, versatile.
Whatever.
This is the versatile
Then you
one.
went-
And if you put
I
the
don't
little
know.
markings.
Not to read about
Two, three.
two.
Couple, two, one, two, three.
Not to
With the
read
letters,
about like
that shows all your work.
5. Your foot is
This
not
all
a
your
foot.
work you need. A, B, C. What is
Oh, do you wear a size 12 in suits?
A, B, C.
Well, then you're either
This is
10
all
or
you have to show as far
12.
as work. Number one, if you really want to do well. Answer all the questions.
Shoes.
Which side you respond with. And then you just have to find the answer.
My father's either says
That's the easiest way to show you Riley, where we at? Are we showing our work? That means you need another time to show.
I did
Okay,
another
that
time.
works too. To show that J goes to your. D.
I did that.
That's fine too. But it helps. There you go.
Do another time.
Mister, can you help me on this?
You need another time.
Dominic.
So this one says AC,
Mister.
right? But so if we look over here, AC is CF.
That's why when she was watching the time, to show you.
my God.
Oh.
So we have C, C,
Sure.
D, E, F. Now you can see.
What we supposed to do other times?
No,
You only gave it one time.
you're supposed to draw. That's part of showing your work, so that's what I meant. So for this one, redraw another track, for this one, redraw another rectangle, that shows your work. And you can color code it.
AC.
But by drawing, at least that's somewhat showing your work, you know where the letters go. So you can also.
Two is ACB, so B.
Yeah.
There you go, like this. Okay, that's it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
No. Wait till break. Boom, boom, shut up.
Dang it,
You're
you.
left finger. I was like,
CAB.
Oh, it's the break, it's the break.
yes, and so the next bell, I'm gonna stand there and watch.
Let me have a break. No. Okay. You're mad at it.
But I should not hear.
Point it at me. Sorry for that. I'm in class. I have to do my point it at me. I work. All of this stuff. That's Jules' work. She doesn't want to be in the video. Okay, so. Child, what are you heading from? Not even that bad.
I don't want to be on YouTube. That's simple.
No, he should have hit clear.
If he would have picked
That would have been funny. Okay. Pick here. Do it. Do it. I dare you to. Double dog dare you. Triple dog dare you. Quadruple dog dare you. Do it.
no.
What? She doesn't know what we're doing. Back down y'all go. Goodbye. It's still on. Y'all are going back down there. I will see y'all in a little bit. Goodbye.
You late to class.
Okay.
Well, who am I?
I don't know. What's Stacy? He's good. He's a good class.
I think you call it
Hey, guys and girls, get
I
back
was
to work.
I'm not a.
No, they weren't on there, but
It's better when they're down there anyway.
It's strong.
Don't. I'm serious. This could be a masterpiece. I'm drawing a person, not gonna say who, not gonna say what, not gonna say what. But all you need to know is that it is a person.
is your homework on your desk?
A person who I care about.
Is right here?
And you don't know who I am.
Another one. Another one there.
What you probably should know who I'm saying.
Huh?
Your homework coming.
I didn't have it.
Yeah. No, God.
That's your
They're here.
Well, no,
Okay,
no.
don't tell
That's fine.
them.
Oh, God. Damn. It's good for you. Or you can
But,
Wamba?
he's the
Because sometimes when you redraw it, and that's when you
And he did.
Oh!
Because me and Leon.
Yo, you take out yourself. I don't even do the work anyway.
You showed me.
I spelled my
I don't really
name
care. I
So
said
y'all-
you didn't even get your name on it. I didn't really like
wrong.
That's what I was trying to
it. Don't call me July.
You late to class. I was like,
Say who?
That's
Hey, long you reduce them and they go into the same thing.
Oh, man.
Long
I like long things.
Oh my. Did you like long things?
Oh, yeah.
Long you still got my sheet.
No, don't mess it up. Don't mess it up. Don't mess it up.
I will mess it up. So stop saying don't mess it up.
I was so hard.
This is just like a child.
Here. She said you had like a child.
Alright.
Jeremiah,
Oh, when
make sure
she's
you're
serious.
working. You have 21 minutes before you are at your pass/quiz retake. And I'll tell you your score so you can decide if you want to take the quiz retake, which is 8 questions, or you're going to do the exit pass, which is 5.
Can you show me now?
I'll show you. You have to pull it up for you.
Miss Simple, make him.
Oh, I have that one.
Oh,
Plus, I'm not the
I think that's so. You could do that.
We will have
Yes. What is it?
Where to it? Oh, yeah.
Oh, actually, 3. Are you posting that today?
That's worse.
This
No.
No.
She said short. He's too short.
I know, I'm only.
I said short. I didn't say skinny.
Not the
My cousin, you like my cousin,
You talking about this?
I'm going back.
Oh, who my back?
And plus,
My dad was.
I thought it was Bucksville, I would.
So my dad is
My father will bust me in my lip and also go, wow.
my dad was a boy. One time my brother was and he tried to come
Oh,
out
you got to look at your score.
and then he got his
Remember
gun out
to
and put it to my brother's
I'll be the first
What
one.
did your father do?
Nothing. She got to kill my brother.
He was kill that.
And then he shot the gun.
Come on, why you not working?
My brother. My dad's not that bad.
Oh, that's sick.
He shot the gun to make my brother scared.
Just one word. You don't know who this is. Shut up. Shut up.
You didn't take it the academic.
What is that? What is
I can
You
tell.
didn't take it, so you're
The
doing it.
first two answers. I don't care. I just got shown. Love you, best friend. You also draw really smart.
What? What? Yes, you want to see your score, do you remember?
I want to see it.
Why?
Evan, you're not
What'd you think?
Oh, yeah.
You. Huh?
I'm upset. I mean, nobody can hear that.
Oh, they can't. That takes up
But I
every.
was good at it. And it's that out.
Can't. It's like.
Okay.
Can't draw a straight line.
Do you want to do your score?
You can't hear that.
This was your last quiz score, so
Just like that.
from the before spring break.
Oh,
Yeah, you didn't do that one.
But, yeah, that's
Oh,
too
well, you must have said,
extra.
yes, we had KBS.
Well, that's why I'm drawing.
Sandra, do you know, are you?
I don't know. That was a hair. So.
Do you remember Sandra? Do you remember David?
Oh my God, Sandra.
You can do it if you want to.
What'd you get?
Jeremiah, why are you throwing things? Sit down.
What class?
Little boy, you don't sit down. Get your work done.
She act like I'm gonna hear it.
She got the argument with everybody.
But
I got 62 points. I passed.
I guess.
Yeah, I
I
did.
don't know.
The drawing a girl. So they like, I didn't know, like, it's like $5. Why are you watching that? Because it's interesting.
Jeremiah, why are you talking right now?
It's really funny how you do that.
How's that weird?
And then I had to, because I was screwed though. My handshakes come out perfect. And I don't even have to do the little line. That's literally a perfect fit. I just forget. Oh, I have perfect fit for this.
I'm not like one
That one came out a little sloppy, but
Why Who is G?
of course we're
I've been trying to figure that out for 2 months.
Tell me what to do. Alright.
Jeremiah, forget it.
No, you wasn't.
Girls, can you help me with this?
Can you help me with this?
I don't know the other one for the
First of all, you have to draw the new one so you can tell. That's what part of your work is. The Q, R, S, T. I know that M and N are parallels. That means these two are parallels. So which one's parallel to RS?
Where's nobody? Okay.
I don't know.
Read for all your babies.
You don't know.
Q, R, just like the same way. It goes L, M, and P, then it goes Q, R, S, T, in the same order. It says M and N is parallel to L, P, so it exists too. Similar picture.
His name starts with a G. It doesn't
Jeremiah, you
start
know.
with a
Exactly.
I
know, but
I don't know.
Yes.
I don't
Ladies,
know.
you have 13 minutes to get this
I know it.
done, or you're
Yeah.
gonna hurry up. Who?
Because
13
you
minutes.
said that
Girls, 13 minutes.
is you're like,
No, after this, we're
I
gonna
don't
start
know.
with
I'm like, well, that's not that's what it is.
I don't like exercise.
That's what it is.
If you finish that before, it's gonna finish your first time.
I was like,
You're slow.
I'm not slow. That's actually a great band.
He still talks.
He dates Charlotte.
He still talks.
He dates Charlotte.
But he still talks. Let's not talk about Charlotte.
No.
And you're
Alright, you wanna say that? I'm gonna go.
I don't think y'all are so.
That's funny how when we saw him at the movies and he always said he was great. I thought. When we saw him at the movies.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, when I saw you at the movies.
Oh. Yeah, because I walked away at that point. Really, it's making me blush.
Oh my gosh, I see everything.
Oh yeah, they can pick this up. Oh god.
Oh yeah.
Ooh. I'm not no. I'm not give this. I'm not give this. No. Everything is like so that I'm talking about, though. I'm watching it.
Jeanette, you may need to come on the side.
Cheers. I can see all y'all people.
Not too much.
Sound like that.
Oh, no, that's not gonna work. See, yeah, he does know. So now it's time to do this. Now it's I showed you a picture of him. It was him. That is him. That was another Malachi in elementary school. Oh God. You got on my nerves. Blue. He's like, hey. No, you were playing everything all in your face, and then you get arguing with everybody. It's like, Marcel. Stop looking at me. It's small. Well, if that's a boy, it would probably be about this big.
Yes, you can.
Oh, of course not.
You can still catch it. That's what I'm talking about. Never mind.
And that's what I'm slow. No.
I'm sure there's huh? I'm sure there's
Unless you got it.
Exactly.
Unless you got it. You look bad.
His eyes sparkle. His eyes sparkle like you have to take the time. Remember in 5th grade, we were taking a test, and then you do a cheerleader, and then I do a cheerleader, and then you ask people who's the best. And then they said mine. And then you were like, mine is more realistic. That's because they're all like, I have to get the exact answer.
You did it.
There we go. Now we're talking.
Yes, we did.
How does that eye look?
Move.
She can have your my bed at early dismissal.
Wow.
You left yesterday too. Just figured earlier.
What?
D.
I know.
Do you get it?
So glad I said her no.
I'm your wife.
Oh, I thought you were Mark. Yeah, sit down and work. I'm serious.
Eduardo.
So bad.
Eduardo just stopped. Charlotte. Charlotte. That's not Garda. Gara. That's what you said, that you feel like that.
I hate you. Hate is a very strong word.
I hope we're done.
No.
You've had
Almost.
30 minutes for this one thing. Some people get these things done in 30 minutes.
down to the floor.
I've been too busy drawing my love life. You're pitiful. So are you, Mrs. Waffle? Or white? Miss White.
Yes, I was. Because that's what we
Miss Wells.
This one you have to.
No, that's you. This brown. Huh? What? Ooh.
That's right. No, you start down here. You.
Ow! What the heck?
You be the next.
No, that's all.
Hair sticking out. No, that's Sierra. No offense. All the boys in the school last name, and then at the world, and numbers and stuff.
Ooh, that includes her.
How are you? Besides what? Besides the boys.
MNOPQLMNO.
Now I gotta draw the things that make his eyes sparkle.
You guys need help in or you say
Yes, I got this one wrong. Like, remember the way somebody put it? It said, what is parallel to RS? And then I said, somebody else?
And then our S corresponds parallel. And then parallel to LP or S parallel.
LP?
See, this is RS parallel. This is
LP, 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 yeah. Shut up, you sound like
Shut up.
That's a really weird
You have a weird
Your head's long. At least my head is round.
What you mean?
My head is
You have
round.
an oval head.
You have an oval head.
No, you have a square oval. You have a square.
Oval.
Oh, you have an
Oh.
oval head. You have a square oval. Oh, look at her head.
You have a trapezoid head.
I'm not trapezoid. Look, square.
Have you seen your head?
Yeah, I look at my hair every single day. Do you not know what a mirror is? I have it somebody like in my room. Some of it. Cause you said, did you see mine?
Alright, guys and girls, some of us are not working anyway.
I'm working.
Give me 5 and 5. 4. Here you go.
I forgot the
2. 1. Here, you can see your eyes. Alright, clean up and go back to your seats. We're gonna do the exercise for the quiz relay.
Hold on.
for the quiz, you never took the first time.
Do you see anything?
Girl, I'm gonna give you 1 minute.
What's in my hair?
You got it out.
Wait, can I do this for homework?
Because it is.
And, but it's got your
Because
grade.
it is.
Get out and go to your seat. And you probably gonna,
That's what's up in my hair.
clear off your desk. Put away the worst of towels. When you are all clear, I'll start the Chromebook retake, which I think most of you are doing for.
What are we doing? I know we're doing that, like,
Well, then you're
Where
gonna
was
go to
it at?
the log on to IA.
it's on I.
Yeah, you're gonna go to X floor. Don't, that's not.
Yeah, sure, work.
What time
Oh,
do
no, I'm gonna give you for original work.
So, I mean, 11:30.
What time is it?
I realized it.
Oh. No, that's not the sound that I.
Hey,
you're
in trouble.
So we're on 0, what's the one?
You don't know. I don't want to.
You either do that or exit pass. It says 7.7A. There's a thing for you two because you got the original one and the retake. So you can do the original, so you just. Alright, so I think I started it, so. If any of you need anything read to you, that's not what we're doing right now. Sit down and do this. Where's Chromebook? What we doing? David, close your Chromebook. You know how you're doing that. If anybody needs anything read, you can let me know. Or let us know when we see. If they have to be read too. Andrews. Anything that you want read, raise your hand.
All 911 now. What do you want us to do?
The 7.7A retake. If you need anything read, let me know. I'm gonna hand you your original work so you can check and see if you want to change any answers or anything.
Okay. So,
Move over some of these tools that we did so you can have a text. Yeah, but if he has a question, you can answer.
how many questions are on this?
Same 8.
I don't want to retake the test.
Well, you're gonna retake it. You're retaking it or you're doing next pass. It's not an
Well,
option.
where's
It's
the
one or the
exit
other.
pass?
What?
Where's the exit pass?
You're either retaking it or you're doing the exit pass. One or the other.
I know. I want to do the exit pass.
Alright, I'll give it to you. Keep in mind that whatever your first grade was, that's supposed to be retake.
Okay.
What's your grade?
65. 65.5.
Close your Chromebook until you're done. You done it 3 times that fast. Guys and girls, you're supposed to be on 0.
Huh?
Yeah, that's yours. Oh, that's yours.
Huh. You don't know what that.
I know two people work and if they want to work, maybe
That's
that's
what
so you work. Here, Jeanette. Put the notes away. And work on this. I didn't know. Either teacher or. Did you start with the period? Good job.
You put this in.
Mila, is this yours? Okay, I don't know whose birthday this is. Jewel, put the thing away and do the retake. You took the original one? We're working on all these things. I know some of you don't drop, but.
I forgot all of this.
You want a treat? Your wife walking down the street.
Yes.
That's good.
Yeah. I forgot all of this.
Do the best you can. All right, well, try the best you want a treat. Then you get the paper.
I forgot that.
Well, I mean, we've been working it all week, so. And last week, and I was here. That's true. Just do the best you can do then. David, keep it those up, please, so you can work correctly. Yeah. Right. So log in and you get.
Where?
Will it show you? Yes. I'll let you go ahead and type the password for retake is retake. So when you think you're done, you can go ahead and type it in. And the people with the extra tax can hand that to me.
That's that.
Yeah. When you think you're done, go ahead and type your retake.
What's the password?
Retake.
Oh.
On the board.
What do we do with the, Oh, I got it again. Thank you. How did it say?
Ladies, yeah, we're at zeros right now. That's fine. Yeah, you can, whenever you're done. Yeah, retake.
So which ones? Is this a grade?
Yeah. Hey, Gal, if you did the first one, then we're next to the right. So, supposed to be great.
then we'll do our final.
Yeah, we just have to.
Make sure you finish your classwork, but essentially just after you finish, it's time to do it.
Oh, wait, so we can do. What does it mean?
But know that the work is on you to get it done.
What does it mean, Dr. Lewis? What is your side?
It's important me. So, yeah. Now this next thing. Always have 4 units. I just 2 points. Yeah, if you have the quiz paper sheet, you get back to me. And then when you're finished, you can either do your work or do something on your own.
Is it just a chapter of reference?
Which classification do these figures belong? It's yes. Well, the opposite side part, which is true, is correct. Is it sideways though? Is that the same thing? Think about 2 pairs of parallel sides. Yeah. Done? You can have your master and retake when you're finished. And just make sure. You finished right now? Right. You finished the retake?
What? Saw what?
Let me refresh yours. Yeah, that one and the worksheet one.
Wait, can't? Never mind.
Yeah, we stick it together. Put it in the Facebook box. While I'm gonna refresh it. Says you already tested, but I'll refresh it. Alright, you can go ahead, Milo.
No, she doesn't.
You got 3 minutes.
Okay. And
Okay. Are you guys concerning your own folder? I think everybody's turning your own folder. And sit quietly, make sure nothing's on your floor. Think about your street. So, what's up and down and what's up. What can you do? Side by side or the next one or the other? Yeah. I know, Dave, I think there's a highlight in here. Can you pick it up, please, bring it back here? Markel.
very nice. A person. Okay. You should already know who. Well, who does it look like? You. No, that's not me. No. A person. That's all that y'all need to know. It's a person that goes here. No.
Do you?
No. I would feel that way if I were you. I'm going to have a boyfriend, but I don't have one yet. Goodbye, that was me in math class, and that's my drawing. Do you want to get my YouTube video? Wait, this is going on YouTube? Yes.
Oh my god.
Those are my peoples. Okay. See y'all later. Bye.